This is a brand new 2023 Isuzu NRR Craft Beer Truck. This truck has a 5.2 liter engine, 215 horsepower. This body is also upfitted with 8 taps that can be used for beer, wine, and cold brew. And on a hot, bright day, you can also retract an awning system that's mounted onto the body. And if you're working a late night event, it also has outdoor lighting. This truck has a Maxon TE25 with a 48x80 tuckaway liftgate. This truck comes with a 3-year factory warranty and also has an optional 5-year, 200,000-mile warranty. And it's priced at $128,800. And if you're interested in this truck, come visit us at Golden Gate Truck Center in Oakland. With a 6-speed automatic transmission.